nearly always there's a really big difference between what you want and what wants you. We live in a world where we've been trained, conditioned, influenced really deeply to be scared of what wants us, to think that the things that want us are demons, monsters, terrifying things, when for the most part, they are the things that want us. That which wants us is actually for us. That which is magnetized towards us is actually our initiations, our makings. They don't fit into our idea of ourselves often. It doesn't fit into our concept of reality, our concept of consciousness, because what wants us is evolution. What wants us is evolutionary consciousness. What wants us is a love even greater, far greater than that which we're resting into right now, and a beingness, a livingness that is even more embodied, even more alive, even more true, even more real, and even more honest than what we touch right now. So we're always in this spiraling, unfolding with what wants us, always in pursuit of us. And in these times, at least, a real turning away from what wants us, a thinking that we know what we want, a thinking, a ground of we know what's best for ourselves rather than life. And there is something to be said for what we desire and what we most deeply love calling us towards ourselves. But the modern world and the deeper conditioning of these times is that what we're tuned into is very shallow. What we're attuned to within ourselves exists on a very shallow plane on earth right now. I'm speaking very generally here, but I am speaking not just to the mainstream world, I am speaking to the leaders of the conscious unfolding on earth right now. I'm speaking to you as well, that the dreaming is shallow often. I'm speaking to myself right alongside you. The dreaming is shallow often, and it takes a real will, a real willingness to allow the deeper dreaming to emerge, to be held, and to come alive in the world. And that deeper dreaming, a lot of that is about allowing what wants us, allowing what is looking for us to find us. And when it finds us, to look it in the eye, to be touched by it, to be changed by it, and to be become by it. You know, we can't, sitting in our own little identity circle, we can't become ourselves. We have to be contacted by the world, by life, by creation. We have to be contacted and changed. And only then can we be become. So what's looking for you, you may not want, but you absolutely do need. Because what's looking for you, it's your becoming. And it is here to catalyze you into everything that you are, which you may not be able to comprehend right now. In fact, most of us can't. So it is the mystery. It is a mystery and the mystery all at once. So we get to become really good at leaning into that, really meeting that which is looking for us, not running from it when it arrives, leaning into it and being changed by it. In the simplest of expressions here, we're talking about the idea that what we want or what we desire is the desiring of, is a juvenile desiring, a juvenile wanting. It's not about not desiring, it's not about not wanting. It's about the level of creation and the quality of creation with which we are meeting that want and that desire. The deeper the quality of our desire, the deeper the quality of our dreaming, and the deeper the quality of our dreaming, the more we are the truth of ourselves. The more that we live as what we truly are in this lifetime on this earth. Hope that tickles a few of you. Some radical whispers in these times for many, but also some words that will really deeply meet a few. And it's those few that I'm speaking to. And those who are just on the edge of being able to comprehend it, speaking to you as well. I love you. Thanks for being here with me. Onwards.